have 10 gadgets right now on Amazon to help you have a clutter-free home. Cell phones, iPads, AirPods, so many chargers, and so many cords. I have the perfect organizer for you. In fact, 4 come in a pack. They're clear, acrylic. I love them. They have different dividers inside. You can really adjust the dividers depending upon the length of your cords and the items that you want to put inside. I love that you can easily see the contents. That way you're not having to open it up, sift around, see what's inside. You can just look at it and see exactly what it is that you need and grab it. Easy peasy and convenient. Also, what's great about these is they are stackable. So you could put them inside a cupboard. You could stack them inside of a drawer depending upon the depth of the drawer. I opted for the 4-pack when I got these. You can see here from the footage that we have a drawer that needed a little bit of love. So it's time to zhuzh it up a bit, shall I say. I am just absolutely loving the after. I have to say I love the cord organizers that came with these clear acrylic cord organizers. So if you're looking to organize a space in your office, in your kitchen, maybe an entryway, these are wonderful. At the time of filming, these are currently just about $30 for a 4-pack. Yes! These don't just have to be for cords, but I know that many of us struggle with cord organization. You could also use this in a craft area, or you could use it with certain beauty supplies such as lipsticks. That would be great. This soda can dispenser, I love when we can maximize the vertical space in our homes. What's amazing about this one is it's actually retractable, so you can expand it depending upon the space that you need or the item that you want to store in it. I use this with pop cans. I also use this with my favorite protein shakes, which truly keep you full. Premier Protein. By the way, nothing in this video is sponsored, and I paid for all of these products with my own money. 2 organizers came in a pack, and I was easily able to fit 2 of these inside of my refrigerator side by side. I love how they easily dispense. You just grab the next can, the next one goes down the chute. It's so fun to use. I can't even believe the price point on this. For a 2-pack of these beverage dispensers, it's just around $26. So not only does it look cute and organized in your space, your refrigerator, but it's also very practical and functional. If you're ever looking to organize a space better in your home, my recommendation is that 1, you declutter and go through your items, but 2, get rid of the boxes, especially when it comes to your kitchen and your pantry. Many of us tend to have several boxes in our kitchen when it comes to snack bags and gallon-sized bags and quart-sized bags and sandwich bags, all the boxes and bags. And oftentimes the boxes don't fit very well inside of a drawer, and they're not very cute. I want to open that drawer and be like, yes, honey, that is a beautiful drawer. Let's just open and close, open and close. Like you want someone to come over to your house and just open that drawer because it looks so organized. Like,
hey, can you grab me one of those snack bags in the back? And they open the drawer and they're like,
ooh, that looks nice. That's strange, right? It's the little things that make me happy. I can't even believe the price point on this 4-pack of bamboo bag organizers. Under $30. Yes, high quality materials. It does the job. You can see here from my drawer, it is all nice and organized. I love it. It's very nicely labeled. I used to have an organizer for bags. However, there was no label on it, and I didn't want to get out a label maker and deal with all of that, and it was kind of a pain to open up the lid. So I love these. You can take them out, fill your bags, pop it back in your drawer. And you can configure these depending upon the space that you're putting them in. So you can put them side by side, you can elongate them. The possibilities are virtually endless. Let's talk about a #1 bestseller when it comes to your kitchen and a clutter-free kitchen. Let's get rid of those boxes once again when it comes to aluminum foil and plastic wrap and wax paper and parchment paper. This plastic wrap dispenser came with the plastic wrap, so I thought that was a bonus. What I love about this is it's magnetic, so you can attach this to your refrigerator if you need like 1 hand, maybe 2, to quickly wrap an item and put it in your refrigerator for future use. But you can also put this inside of your drawer. It's nice and sleek, it's compact. You can easily cut the plastic wrap off that you need, the wax paper, the aluminum foil, whatever it is that you're needing at that time. I have bought dispensers like this in the past, and the problem with them is the wrapping paper or the plastic wrap just falls back down, and you're like trying to sift for the edge again. Do you know what I'm talking about? Let me know in that comments box below. And you're like, this is a pain in the butt. I'm just trying to find the end of this. This one is perfect. It's not getting sucked back into the little opening. It's always there for you every time that you need it. This kitchen gadget is going to save you a ton of space in your kitchen. Also, it's going to make it look nice, and it's going to keep your guacamole and other lovely dips fresher for longer. This guacamole keeper I'm obsessed with, and right now it's on sale for a limited time for just about $8. You put your guacamole or whatever condiment that you want in the middle of the dish, and then you push down to allow all that air to release, which causes the browning in your guacamole. You can easily put this in your refrigerator and then pull it out the next time you want to have some delicious dips. So not only does this look better in your refrigerator, but you're saving money money because your guacamole is gonna last much longer. If you're really against plastic wrap, then this next item is definitely for you or anyone really. It's this 5-piece set of food huggers. Maybe you have a red onion or a tomato that you only used half of, or an apple or a banana, and you want to wrap it around your fruit so that it stays fresher for longer. Maybe you want to eat it the next day. Oftentimes I would just put some plastic wrap around this, throw it in my refrigerator depending upon the produce that I'm wrapping up, but not anymore. I love that these are reusable and washable, and they're really cute and chic. I love using this for lemons. This is BPA free and dishwasher safe. Just around $17 for this 5-piece set. A steal of a deal, especially considering the longevity of this item. So maybe you have less plastic wrap in your kitchen because you have these very condensed food huggers that are taking up less space than boxes of plastic wrap. One of the best ways to save space in your home, other than decluttering, is to maximize that vertical space. So in your closet, I'm going to show you a great way to do that. These hanging rod organizers. I've used them in my closet. I've used them in clients' closet. I'm using it in my 3-year-old daughter's closet. Here's a bonus on this. Now she can easily reach the items in her closet rather than having to get a step stool. So she's more independent, the clothes are more organized, less hands-on for me, which is perfect, and she feels more independent. I also use this in my boys' closet so that they can easily access their items, but also to really make use of that closet space because my boys, ages 5 and 8, share a closet. I love that these rods are easily adjustable. They also have little hooks on them, so if you wanted to hang something like a backpack or a book bag or a belt, you certainly could. They're expandable, so you can adjust it to fit your particular space. So not only can you adjust the width, but you can also raise the bar depending upon how high or low you want that. Maybe you want this in your closet for tank tops on top and shorts on the bottom, or long sleeves on top and skirts on the bottom. I know oftentimes in closets that space underneath your hanging clothes is just kind of a dumping ground for a lot of random things, but not anymore. You are really utilizing all of that closet space that you have with these rod organizers. 2 come in a pack, and there are a couple of color options for you. Of all the rod organizers that I have used, this one is my favorite because you don't have to make sure anything is level. Sometimes you can buy the ones that you can fully customize and adjust, but it can take some time to like really level out all these rods. No. This one's fantastic. You just set it and let it. And what's the price point on these? For 2 in a pack, under $30. Your space is more gorgeous, it's easily accessible, and it just motivates you to want to organize other things in your closet, maybe. This cable box organizer I absolutely love because you can hide your cords. It also utilizes the space that you have because you could stack things on top if you want to, and it looks oh so chic and cute. It's currently on sale under $20, and you can fit a lot of cords inside of this cord storage box container. It comes in a couple different color options and a variety of different sizes. If you're looking to hide a gaudy and kind of ugly power strip, this is wonderful. Or maybe you just don't want all kinds of cords coming out from different outlets. Maybe you have a nightstand or a desk and you're like, I just want everything nice and organized. I can easily access the item that I need and don't have to worry about all these cords and I absolutely love this item. This portable wall charger. It's compact. You don't have cords all over the place. You can easily pull out that charging cord to the length that you need. And then you just push a little button and then it retracts on itself, and then you can unplug it from wherever you've been charging your items. So then rather than having the adapter and then that long cord to charge your items and then your cell phone connected to the end, this is so nice and convenient. And here's a bonus. It easily fits inside of your purse. So you could take this for travel. I think that's such a fantastic way to utilize this wall charger. This is everything you need. Retractable cord, convenient, chic, easily accessible. Yes. This next product is just about $10, and it is worth every penny in my opinion. If you're anything like me, we have a lot of kitchen, shall I say, spoons and whisks and spatulas and tongs. Like there's just a lot happening in a drawer in a kitchen. And what's something in that drawer that takes up most of the space? The whisk. It's this weird round shape, but I've got the perfect gadget for you. This beautiful whisk is collapsible, and it can serve 2 functions. You could use it to maybe stir some eggs up so they're not sticking to the bottom of your pan, but then you could also open up the whisk to whisk up your eggs. And then it stores so nicely inside your drawer. It's not taking up all that precious real estate that a typical whisk would. Where has this been my entire life? And again, just about $10. It comes in 2 different color options. We have the blue or we have the green, so pick your fancy. This would also be such a fun gift idea. Like someone would get it and be like, what the heck is this? And then you using it is half the fun. Like, oh my gosh, I can get rid of all of those whisks in my drawer that take up all of this space. It just lays so nicely. You can put it under a spatula. It's just so chic, cute, and worth every penny. Have you signed up for the free weekly newsletter? If not, make sure that you do. It's linked in the description box below, and I'll also pin it in the comments section. Also, make sure that you're following me on Instagram at Andrea Jean Cleaning, where I share the first of the first #1 bestsellers, and let's keep that fun going. Click this video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.